He's overtly smart. After the father, the son took over.
Karthik, who are you talking about?
Siddhant, who else? He reports to me, but he holds a meeting with the dad and strike a deal with the airlines. His news is splashed over the newspaper.
Well done. And this was his first assignment. I wonder what he'll do next.
What else? Whatever he did for the company has generated profit.
Anushka, everything is not judged by profit or loss. He walked over me. Now how will I trust him in the future?
I see. This is about ego. Is it? Karthik, since when did you start behaving like this? I mean, why are you creating unnecessary issues?
Correct. Karthik, it is all your fault. That is because Siddhant can never make a mistake. Am I right, Anushka?
What are you trying to say, Riddhi?
She understood what I wanted to say. And the one who did not is a fool.
I should leave now.
Anushka, finish your breakfast at least. Sister-in-law, you are impossible.
Sorry.
Oh, where did you go early in the morning?
Your new phone.
What?
Purva, feed all the numbers that are important to mom.
What was the need for this? I have your dad's phone.
Actually, I need dad's phone for a couple of days. There are some important office information in that. You can use that phone afterwards. I'll see you.
Okay, take care of yourself.
The number you have called is switched off.
Before he passed away, Prabhakar had rang up my associate. He was trying to squeeze out some information about the plane crash.
Good morning, Siddhant. Hello. Good morning.
Sorry. Good morning.
Is everything all right? What are you doing in my cabin so early?
No. Nothing. I have to go. I got a lot of work.
Siddhant, if there is something, you can tell me.
No, it slipped my mind. I'll come back if I recollect it. It slipped my mind. I'll come back if I recollect.
Come on, Siddhant. And let me tell you, you are not even a good liar. Say whatever you have in your mind. There's no need to put up a drama. Hey, Siddhant. Let me tell you, you're not even a good liar. Just say what you have to stop this drama.
You know me really well. I hesitate in sharing a few things.
That's fine, but we are friends, aren't we? And there shouldn't be any secret between friends. Okay, come here. Come on. Let's sit and discuss it. Tell me, whatever you have in your mind, you can share it with me.
Actually, last night, I got to use my dad's phone.
Hello?
Sumit Goyal speaking.
Who took out dad's phone?
Mom did.
And since then, my mind is stuck in it. I think there is something fishy behind my dad's death.
But Mr. Prabhakar's death was natural, right? Siddhant, tell me one thing. What do you think about Mr. Goel?
He's a ruffian. No one can point a finger at him.
Even I feel the same. Goel is creating mental pressure on you, nothing else. Siddhant, forget all these. All of these things are of no use. You keep saying that you need to prosper. Then consider these to be hurdles and nothing else. Get these issues out of your life. Don't even give them a thought.
You're absolutely right. I had the same problem, you know. Thank you so much. I feel so much lighter already. And you made me understand in such an easy way.
Siddhant, I know you very well. That's why it's easy to make you understand. It's good that you shared your feelings with me.
Thank you.
Siddhant, do you think you are overtly smart? You directly spoke to Dad. Didn't you think it was important to involve me? Are we maintaining a protocol or not?
I'm sorry, Karthik. Really. I'm really sorry. Everything happened in a hurry. A prompt action was necessary, you know. Moreover, I didn't know what step to take, so in a rush, I called Mr. KK up. It'll be my first and last mistake. It's Mr. KK's phone call. May I attend it?
Siddhant, you have done a great job. Huh? Well done, my boy. You surprised even KK. Huh? Keep it up. Come and meet me. Then we will talk. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Huh?
Thank you so much, sir. I'll meet you soon. I'll take an appointment from your office and come.
Yes, yes. Come on.
Mr. KK is quite impressed. I can apologize to you in front of him as well. Really.
Karthik, Siddhant did apologize to you. And who do you think profited from it? Reddy Corporation did, right? I think we should celebrate. Come on, Karthik.
Alright. But don't repeat this.
Of course not. It will never happen.
That's better.
Thank you, Miss Reddy. Your timing was spot on.
You're most welcome, Mr. Sinha.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू